How to lose weight fast. The shocking truth they don't want you to know. Hey you. Yes, you scrolling through YouTube trying to figure out how to shed those extra pounds. What if I told you that losing weight fast is not only possible, but way easier than you think? Stick around because I'm about to reveal secrets that the diet industry doesn't want you to know. You'll kick yourself for not learning these sooner. Let's dive in, and trust me, you don't want to miss the juicy tips coming at the end of this video. Step 1. Cut the hidden villains in your diet. First things first, let's talk about the sneaky culprits making you gain weight. Sugar and processed carbs. Wait, isn't that obvious? Nope, because sugar hides in places you'd never expect. That granola bar you think is healthy? Loaded with sugar. Your favorite. Low-fat. Yogurt? A sugar bomb in disguise. Here's the trick. Replace sugary drinks with water, tea, or black coffee. And if you're craving something sweet, go for fruits like berries. Not only do they satisfy your cravings, but they also boost your metabolism. Cutting these hidden villains can make you lose up to 5 pounds in just a week. Step 2. Move, but do it smart. Okay, let's bust another myth. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to lose weight fast. What you need is high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts are short, intense bursts of exercise followed by brief rest periods. You only need 20 minutes a day. That's it. Imagine burning fat while binge-watching Netflix later. How's that for efficiency? Try exercises like jump squats, burpees, and mountain climbers. Trust me, your body will thank you when those jeans fit again. Step 3. Eat more to lose more. Sounds crazy, right? But eating more of the right foods is your secret weapon. Load your plate with high-protein foods like eggs, chicken, and fish. Pair them with veggies like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These foods keep you full longer, meaning you won't be tempted to snack on chips or cookies. Pro tip. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast like scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt with nuts. People who do this lose weight faster than those who skip breakfast. Coincidence? I think not. Wait, want to supercharge your progress? At this point, you're probably feeling pumped to get started. But let's take it a step further. What if I told you there's a free ebook waiting for you in the video description? It's called Boost Your Immune System, 20 Foods That Work Like Magic. And it's packed with tips to help your body burn fat and stay healthy. Don't miss out. Download it now and thank me later. Step 4. Stay consistent with these hacks. Losing weight fast doesn't mean starving yourself or trying fad diets that only last a week. It's about making smart, sustainable choices. Here are a few bonus tips. Drink more water. Did you know dehydration mimics hunger? Before reaching for a snack, drink a glass of water. Sleep more. Sleep isn't just for beauty. It's for weight loss too. Poor sleep makes you crave junk food. Cut eating late at night. Your body doesn't need extra calories when it's winding down. Stick to eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. 5 proven tips to lose weight while you sleep. Wake up slimmer. Introduction. Did you know your body can burn fat even while you're catching ZS? Sounds like a dream come true, right? The truth is, with a few tweaks to your nightly routine, you can turn your sleep time into a weight loss powerhouse. Let's dive into 5 proven tips to help you lose weight while you sleep, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and a step closer to your goals. 1. Sleep in a cooler room. Lowering the temperature in your bedroom can do wonders for your metabolism. Studies show that cooler environments encourage your body to produce brown fat, a type of fat that burns calories, to keep you warm. Set your thermostat to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit 18 degrees Celsius for optimal fat-burning conditions. Pro tip. Use lightweight blankets and wear breathable fabrics to stay comfortable while keeping the room cool. 2. Avoid late-night snacks. Eating late at night can disrupt your body's natural fat-burning process. When you eat right before bed, your insulin levels spike, which halts fat breakdown and stores more fat instead. What to do? Finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you're feeling hungry, opt for a light snack like a handful of nuts or herbal tea to satisfy your cravings without overloading your system. 3. Drink a fat-burning tea before bed. Certain teas, like green tea, chamomile, or cinnamon tea, have metabolism-boosting properties. Drinking a warm cup of tea before bed not only relaxes you, but also helps your body burn calories overnight. Recipe idea: a cup of hot water, a cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a slice of lemon for added flavor. Sip on this calming drink and let it do the work while you sleep. 4. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Lack of sleep messes with your hormones, especially ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and appetite. When you don't get enough sleep, your body craves high-calorie foods, making weight loss harder. Solution: establish a consistent bedtime routine. Turn off electronics an hour before sleeping to avoid disrupting your melatonin production. Create a relaxing environment by dimming the lights and using calming scents like lavender. 5. Strengthen your nighttime routine. Incorporate activities that promote better sleep quality and weight loss. A good nighttime routine can include light stretches, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. These activities lower cortisol levels, your stress hormone, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Bonus tip: avoid drinking alcohol before bed. While it may make you drowsy, it disrupts your REM sleep, slowing down your metabolism and fat-burning processes. Conclusion: transforming your sleep into a weight loss ally is easier than you think. By making small adjustments like sleeping in a cool room, avoiding late-night snacks, and sticking to a solid sleep schedule, you'll see noticeable results in no time. Give these tips a try tonight and wake up one step closer to your dream body. Remember, the key to weight loss is consistency, both during the day and at night. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and share your progress in the comments below.